Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 4 of January. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so we always start off with my sinking funds tracker, and I got this up in my Etsy shop, and I got paid Friday, January 22nd. I also got my bonus check, so I'll be stuffing it in this video also. So let's get right into this. Alright guys, so I always start off with my utilities envelope, and utilities is getting 50, and today I'm gonna count how much I got in my utilities envelope because I don't even know myself. So we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 205 bucks. So usually my utilities goes around 200 a month, so it's good that I be having extra in here and roll it over for the next month. So let's get on to our cash envelopes. Alright guys, so let me pull out these envelopes real quick. So guys, when I have $5 left in these envelopes, like I usually do, I always show you guys how much I have left in each envelope. But now every $5 that I have, I put it into this zipper envelope and just leave it in there until this video. I'll take it out and show you guys how much fives I collected during the week. So let's get right into this. So groceries, we have some money left. We have 10, 11, 12, 13 bucks left in groceries. So this 10 is gonna go to the side, and these $3 is gonna go into my kids' piggy bank. So I'm gonna put this to the side for now. Groceries always get 100, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Next is gas, and I spent all my money in gas, and gas is getting 60 bucks. So 20, 40, 60. Alright guys, so you remember when I said I was going to take out my eating out envelope and change it up, and I did make my giving envelope. So I already had a giving envelope. This was my giving envelope before. Was just something I had always on hand or in the car whenever I go by a homeless person and they ask for some change. I always pull out $1 or $2 from this and give it to them. So now I made my own envelope, and this is going to get 5 bucks. So I don't have no ones on me, and I'll just break it later. So spending always get 20 bucks a week. And beauty is not getting stuffed this week also, but we're gonna count how much we have left in beauty. So in beauty we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 25, 26. So we have 126 in beauty. Alright, so let's take out our coins. So on to our $5 savings challenge. So we have accumulated how much fives this week? So we accumulated 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So these fives is going into my $5 saving jar. And I'm going to do an update in February because February 2020 is when I first started the $5 saving jar. So it'll be like a 1-year anniversary how much I saved in my $5 saving jar in 1 year. So guys, I'm going to have my binder set back up on sale tonight around 10 o'clock. So guys, don't forget, this is pocket size, this is mini size, this is not sinking funds, these are cash envelope size. So let's get right into our sinking funds. Alright guys, so we always start off with my clear binder, which is my kids savings first. So I didn't show you guys, but this paycheck I am stuffing $895, and this is also my bonus check. So I did make a little bit changes in this video, but you guys will see what I did do. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so starting off with my daughter, she's getting 25 bucks. So 25. Guys, to all my new subscribers out there, these are just $1,000 placeholder. So When I say $1,000 in each of my envelopes, I'll take that $1,000 out and put it into my savings account and use these $1,000 as placeholder to physically count and track my money. So guys, these are fake bills. These are just placeholders, okay? Alright, so Lanesia now has 1,000, 2,000. Let's put that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 950, 970, 990, 1,010, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 57, 59, 61. So Lanesia has 3,061 bucks. Alright, so Lanesia definitely needs another 1K slip, so I can allocate that $1,000 and put that into her savings account. And also, I'll show you guys that in my update sinking funds video, which I do upload at the end of each month or the beginning of the next month. And I'm going to show you guys how to use this sinking fund update template right here. Alright, so also guys, look out for my next video. I'm gonna show you guys my YouTube paycheck, how much I got paid. And you guys, this is the biggest check I got paid, so stay tuned for that video if you guys want to know. Alright, so let's get back into my cash stuffing. Jaden is getting 25. And I believe Jaden is also ready for another 1K slip. So Jaden has 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2,000. So he definitely do need another 1K slip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 2,500, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 135, 40, 45, 50, 52. So Jaden has 2,652 bucks. Next is vacation, and vacation is getting 15. And in vacation we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Alright, so family time is getting 10 bucks. So in family time, we now have 100, 20, 30, 40, 55, 60. So I think I'm gonna cap out family time at 200 bucks. And I'll use that money to stuff it somewhere else. So clothing is getting 20. Clothing we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 30, 41. So guys, I'm gonna cap out clothing at 400 bucks also. Alright guys, onto our blue binder. Okay, so in my emergency fund, I have $1,000 in here, and I'm gonna actually take this money out in my next update sinking fund video. So let's just count how much we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $1,000, and I will be putting a 1K placeholder in here. Alright, so home remodel is getting 30. So 20, 30. And home remodel, we now have 50, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300 bucks. car maintenance is getting 50. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 870, 880. Zep Snowball is getting 100. So I'm gonna do that in 50s. So 50, 100. So we now have 300 in Zep Snowball. Alright, health is getting 5. And in health we now have 100, 150, 60, 75, 85, 95, 200. Alright guys, on to my savings challenge guys. This is one of the changes I'll be making. So this savings challenge is the $2,000 goal. And this savings challenge is really not a challenge for me. So I'm actually going to switch to my $5,000 saving challenge. So as of right now, we're going to count how much I have in here. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 85, 90. So we have 290 in my saving challenge envelope. Let me actually pull up my calculator real quick. Alright, so we have 290 in there. So I did do a little update to my savings challenge envelope. So the font is different and also the size is different. So the sizing for the 5K challenge is a bit bigger than a 2K challenge envelope. And here's how the back looks. So before the dates were all blue, now I changed the extra box to a purple. So what we're gonna do now is add all January's amount. So because basically this is my 4th paycheck for January, so I want to fill out the whole January box. So 150 plus 75 plus 95 plus 80. So for the 52-week 5K goal, you guys don't expect this is gonna be a $20 or $30 a month type thing, because our goal is $5,000. So the amounts are a little higher than the $2,000 goal, which is really low. So this is more than double of the 2K challenge. So don't expect it to be no easy stuff. This is a challenge, guys. So anyways, back to this. So the whole first row is $400, and I also want to add in an extra column. So we're gonna do 165. So I should have $565 in this envelope as of today. So since I'm not doing this one no more, I'm gonna put this 290 in this envelope. So we're gonna subtract this by 290. So now we gotta stuff $275 in this time around. So we're gonna do 100, 200, 250, 275. So we're putting in 275. So now I'm gonna cross out all of January boxes and the extra 165 box. So that total up to $565 I have in this envelope as of today. So guys, I actually switched it because I want to challenge myself. This is gonna be a little challenging for me, but I want to see if I could pull through it. So that's my savings challenges stuff, and now we're gonna stuff my boyfriend's savings challenge. So he get paid bi-weekly, and his next amount is $55 for January to be completed for him. So we're gonna stuff 55 So 50 and a 5. So he get paid bi-weekly. That's why he's doing the 26-week challenge, the 26-week saving challenge. So I get paid weekly, so I do the 52-week saving challenge. So his is a 2K goal amount, mine is a 5K goal. Let's get on to my pink binder. Alright guys, onto my pink binder. Let me move everything to the side real quick. So what I use for my app is GoodNotes. So let's pull up GoodNotes. Alright, so onto savings. Saving is getting 40. So 20, 40. So in savings we now have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3,641. Next is my Jenny envelope, and that's getting the rollover money from last week, which was 10 bucks. And I do not know how much I have in this envelope, but I'm planning to use this money and start investing. So whatever I have in this envelope at the end of the month, I'm gonna put it towards investing into some stocks. So Christmas is getting 30. So 20, 30. We now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 50, 2, 4, 5. Alright guys, back to school is getting 5. And then back to school we now have 20, 40, 55, 65, 75, 80. So we had 80 bucks for back to school. So Gifts not getting stuff, and Boss Up is getting 30. So 20, 30, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. 165. Guys, so that's it of my cash envelope stuffing video, and I would like to thank everyone for your guys' support. We are over 10K subbies, and also on my Etsy shop, you guys definitely went out and supported me so much. Like, thank you guys so much. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and stay tuned because that's my YouTube paycheck video. Bye.